Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Arena Z token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Arena Z is a player-owned multi-game Web3 platform built on the OP superchain, designed to unite gaming communities through shared assets and cross-game interoperability. Evolved from a flagship game, it rebounded from the successful Web3 strategy MMO League of Kingdoms, leveraging its established community and IP. A cross-game ecosystem hub, it connects multiple titles within LOK universe, allowing NFTs, rewards, and player identity to persist across different games. Powered by a dedicated gaming infrastructure, it operates on the Arena Z chain, a gaming optimized layer 2 network to enable fast and low cost transactions. Arena Z token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 9.12 billion A2Z token. A2Z token is listed on Binance, KuCoin, Crypto.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.